Harrington's on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. It's located at the mouth of the mighty Manning River. Today it's a peaceful township, popular with visitors during peak holiday seasons. In the 19th century, it was a busy port. Breakwalls were constructed to help provide safe navigation across dangerous sandbars. Experienced pilots guided vessels, but in spite of this, shipwrecks were relatively common. Seven kilometres from Harrington is another mid-north coast jewel, Crowdy Head, named by Captain James Cook during his voyage of discovery in 1770. The area is now part of Crowdy Head National Park, offering great surfing and fishing and hiking along coastal and bushland tracks. Known locally as a training wall, the breakwall remains an imposing sight. Instead of cargo-carrying boats, these days it's a perfect fishing spot, with visitors and locals alike trying their luck. Harrington is about 4 hours' drive north of Sydney and always worth the journey for peace and quiet, interrupted only by the sound of the ocean.